Frontline International presents a step-by-step guide on the filter caddy. Our filter caddy is ideal for fryers that do not have built-in filtration pumps. Our filter caddy can save you oil and save you money. Here's how easy it is. To start, open the fryer door and turn off the fryer. Next, attach the fryer drain pipe. Once secured, wheel in the filter caddy. Open the caddy, making sure it is positioned under the drain. Now open the fryer drain valve. The used oil will begin to flow into the filter caddy. Once the vat is empty, turn on the filter caddy. Use the flow of oil to wash the vat. When the vat is clean, turn the filter caddy off and close the drain valve. Then, turn the filter caddy back on and fill the fryer with the filtered oil. Once the fryer is filled, turn off the filter caddy and remove the drain valve. After that, remove the basket from the caddy filter and remove the sediment from the basket. Replace the basket back into the filter caddy. Then close the caddy. And you are done. The filter caddy can extend oil life up to 50% and reduce costs. Improve your yield and rebate at rendering. Standardize food taste and quality. Filters are available in disposable paper or reusable stainless steel media. Frontline makes filtering cooking oil safe, easy, and hands-free.